And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Hey McGaw, here are some local families that would like to share their military experience with you.
My name is Paxton from room 5. Hello, my name is Mason Wynn, and I go to McGaw Elementary, 2nd grade in Miss Anna Senna's class. I would like to introduce you to my dad, Andre Nguyen. He serves the Army.
Hello, McGaw family. My name is Andre Nguyen. I am the proud father of Mason Nguyen and Paxton Nguyen. I'm currently serving the Army in my 20th year. I've been to 6 different states, 2 different countries. I enjoy spending time with my family and watching both of my boys play baseball at Seal Beach Pony. My word of advice for all the children of McGaw family is cherish your time with your family and have fun.
Hi, my name is Jessica, and this is my dad.
Hi, my name is Tony Medina, and I work in the United States Coast Guard. I've been in the Coast Guard for almost 20 years, and I do search and rescue planning. I love serving my community.
I love my dad, and I'm very proud of his work.
Hi, I'm Ellie Frank, and I'm in Miss Seiden's 4th grade class, and this is my dad, James Frank.
Ahoy, McGaw Sea Lions! I am a Senior Chief Marine Science Technician with the United States Coast Guard. One of the coolest things I've done in my career was sailed a ship through the Gulf of Alaska all the way to the Bering Sea. And while I was there in Dutch Harbor, I got to inspect all of the ships that you might have seen on the Discovery Channel's The Deadliest Catch Show. Thanks for having me.
Bye, McGaw. I hope you have a great week.
Hi, my name is Sebastian.
Hi, my name is Amy.
And this is our dad,
Matt Stevens.
Hi, I'm Chief Petty Officer Matt Stevens with the United States Coast Guard. My job as an investigator is fun because I get to travel across the country and the world.
Thanks so much for your support, McGaw. Bye.
Hi, my name is Serenity Chai, and I'm a 2nd grader in Miss Lyon's class, and this is my brother Matt.
Hi everyone, my name is Matt. I'm a Staff Sergeant in the United States Marine Corps. I've served 9 years, my primary job, or MOS, being a meteorologist and transport air crewman. My main mission is to ensure the safety of flight for pilots and personnel. I've had the pleasure of traveling all around the world, from Hawaii to the Middle East, and thank you for having me.
Thank you, brother, for serving our country.
Bye.
Did you know that over 15% of the McGaw student body comes from military families? That's why we're so proud to celebrate all of our military families from the Coast Guard, Army, Navy, Marines, Space Force, and also the Air Force. Thanks so much, and make sure you get that flip in so you can celebrate too.
Get ready, Sea Lions, for this week's announcements.
This week, it's all about the military child. So on Monday, we want you to wear red, white, and blue in the celebration of all those that are serving in the military. On Tuesday, we want you to wear camouflage. On Wednesday, we want you to wear purple. On Thursday, please wear boots. And then on Friday, wear red. to remember everyone deployed. Thanks so much, Sea Lions, and also try and get that flip in so you can celebrate your family members. Thanks so much to the PTA for celebrating our Jogathon winners by throwing a foam party.
Thank you, PTA, for the foam party!
There you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!